Hey, my name is Shudati. I'm a social media influencer and a digital marketer. When you subscribe to my channel, you will get regular updates on digital marketing, sales related tips and online income opportunities. I upload videos on every 2-3 days. Whether you are looking for a break from 9 to 5 or you have any other constraint that prevents you to commute to work, there is no need to waste your earning potential. Earning money is been typically associated with the traditional offline route, but nowadays with the internet taking over large part of our lives, more and more people are showing interest in earning money online. Do not expect to earn a huge amount of money quickly while using online platforms to earn money. Start slowly, but if you work steadily, you will earn a huge amount of money within a 6 months period or maximum a 1 year period. Working online as a virtual assistant is a wonderful option that you can consider. Small business owners, professionals, entrepreneurs need virtual assistants for their daily administrative works. Virtual assistants actually work remotely with their clients and manage day-to-day aspects of their lives which they are too busy to control. There are several tasks that virtual assistants can do. If you have a good communication skills, then you can make phone calls, schedule their appointments, follow-ups. You can also do editing, writing, proofreading, graphic design, tech support and customer support. There are several jobs that you can do as a virtual assistant. If you are capable of managing applications like PowerPoint presentations, Word documents, Excel documents, you can do this as a virtual assistant. If you have a good writing skills, then you can manage their email correspondence, manage their blogs, websites, etc. Another interesting task you can do is social media management. In my next video, I will explain everything about how you can apply and what you can do as a social media manager. In this video, I will cover one thing, that is, you can comment on their behalf on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. There can be certain industries which will need people to comment on their behalf on their social media, for which they will also train you. Because the work will be done on a repeated basis, they won't mind training you. Just one warning from my side. Please see the reputation of the client before building a relationship with him. Because reputation is so very important for you and for the client also. If you are starting afresh, then client would also like to know about you, your reputation. So make a very interesting portfolio. Include some project works in this portfolio. Make a video, make a pitch video. Explain how you can add value. If you want me to create a video for you, then please write in the comment box. I'll try to create one video so that you can have some knowledge on how to make pitch video. If you are a student, then you can add your project work of your college. You have to open a PayPal account for direct account deposit. If you do not know how to open a PayPal account, please comment me. I will make a video on how to open a PayPal account. I think that will help you. One thing I would like to emphasize here is you have to work very hard to get your first client, because you are starting as a fresher. In my description box, you will find various websites where you can apply as a virtual assistant. So, start from now on. There are some people who lost their job because of this pandemic. So I would request you to please share my video to those people who need a job very badly at this moment. If you liked my video, please comment which section of the video you liked the most. We'll be back with a new topic very soon. Till then, bye bye.